Brienne, the Maid of Tarth. She is the jewel of Evenfall Hall among the Sapphire Sea, a beauty fit for a king. Oh wait, that's Cersei. This is Brienne. Woof. She may not be much to look at, but she's one of the greatest fighters in Westeros. Born to Lord Selwyn Tarth, she is the Arya of her family. Born with a proclivity for fighting, her father eventually got tired of seeing her lose at something she'd never give up, so he trained her. At 6'3" and ugly of face, her chances of becoming a wife to a handsome lord seemed slim. So she became well versed with the sword and earned notoriety when she won a tourney held by Renly Baratheon, besting even Loras Tyrell. The winner could ask anything of the rebel king. She asked for a place by his side as his Kingsguard. Things went south for her when Renly was killed by a Black Snot Stannis baby. Brienne was accused of the murder, so Catelyn took her back north to protect her. Brienne swore a new oath of loyalty, this time to Catelyn. Cat wasted no time using this loyalty. The Lannisters had promised Cat that in order to get her daughters back, all she had to do was release Jaime. And release him she did, against Robb's wishes. Of course everyone else was soups pissed about it. Cat sent Brienne to guard Jaime from other Northerners as they made their way to King's Landing.
Brienne was a decent enough tour guide until some Bolton men captured them, and in one of the most traumatic scenes of GOT, they cut off Jaime's hand. Once Jaime lost all that he had to be arrogant about, he ended up being a pretty cool guy. When they reached the Bolton's castle of Harrenhal, Bolton apologized to Jaime, patches them both up, and sends Jaime off. Well, lucky enough for Brienne, he comes back and saves her from a bear fight. She totally had that bear too, but whatever. They finally make it to King's Landing, and everything is awkward. Sensing the weird tension between Brienne and Cersei, Jaime sends Brienne to bring back Sansa. He even gives her some sick blue armor and a newish Valyrian sword she names Oathkeeper. Oh, and she gets Pod. Lucky her.
She and Pod travel north. Brienne learns to be more badass, and Pod learns he's a little sissy girl. I guess neither of them change, but whatever. By the end of Season 4, they encounter their nemesis, the Hound and Arya. Brienne wants to take Arya to safety, and the Hound says no. The two non-knights duke it out. Brienne stands triumphant. And sure, maybe it's because the Hound is suffering from a wound on his neck, or because Brienne has some kind of strength-enhancing scream, but either way, the Hound is down. But where did Arya go? Brienne is now without a Stark, and without a real direction.